second edition to Mrs. Geek's Guide to Google Photos. There are 5 more chapters. There is this complete index. You'll be able to find anything you need about Google Photos there.
Cool.
Because I want this to be both a reference as well as a readable how-to. Made sure that all the instructions are up to date. Of course, they'll be out of date tomorrow, but they're up to date as to right now. And since it does get out of date so quickly, and since there's always more to learn, I've made a companion page at Geeks on Tour, and this I gotta show you. Go to Geeks on Tour, and then /Google-Photos. And there's all stuff here, but one of the things I am proudest of, if you click right here, all Google Photos articles by Mrs. Geek. Click there and you will just see maybe 200 all articles on using Google Photos. And those are all free. Have at it. And then I've also included all of the button shows that are just about Google Photos, all the videos that are in the book, all the Google Photos videos completely, and then useful discussions from the official Google Photos help forum, and then even more about Google Backup and Sync, Google Drive. That is the most complex area. The companion page that goes along with the book. And the book now covers new features like shared libraries, Google Lens, with the new feature called Favorites, which we showed you last week, updated videos, and this ebook is now available for members. If you're a member, you just go to geeksontour.com and go to your login page and you'll see ebooks. The print version will be available at Amazon